are you getting so annoyed and frustrated because all you want to do is make your YouTube channel look great, you want to make it look professional, but for some reason you can't get your cover art, you know, that photo on your YouTube channel, it's just not looking great. No other tutorial is telling you how to properly do it. Well, this is your lucky day because you've come to the right place. This is video 2 in the series on how you can create your very own YouTube channel the right way. And today we're going to cover how to correctly display your cover art on desktops and your mobile phone.
Veena V.
Team A, are you ready to get learning? Yay! If you're not part of Team Action yet, all you've got to do is subscribe to this channel by clicking that red button and hitting that notification bell, and you will get all the latest YouTube tips and confidence boosting advice as well. Today, we're going to sort out the look of your YouTube channel, and it's so important when someone clicks on your channel that it looks professional and you let them know straight away what your YouTube channel is about, because that is a great way to increase your subscribers. If you make things clear for people and they know what your channel is about, they are more likely to subscribe to you. So let's head over to my computer and get into this tutorial. Okay then, this is our channel, Team A, and first off we're going to click on Customize Channel. Oops, let's click on that. And then you should see this page. We are going to click on Add Channel Art. Okay, now can you see all this recommended channel art size, blah, blah, blah. Now, if you were to follow this, there can be some big problems and you'll get that annoying thing, like I mentioned before, where your photo, it just doesn't look nice on mobiles and iPads and all that kind of stuff. So this is the hack that a lot of people don't know about. We need to go here where it says how to create channel art, because we're gonna download a template. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Let's scroll down here. Okay, here we go. So where it says image size and file guidelines, click on this little arrow. And then we're going to scroll down. This is what we want, channel art template, okay? So click on that and then we're going to download it. Save. And then what we need to do, can you see this has come up as a zip file? We need to get the actual file to upload to Canva in just a second. Okay, this is all going to make sense for you. Bear with me, just follow along with this. So what we're going to do is we now need to open this file here. So on my Mac, I'm going to click on this, show in Finder. Right. All I'm going to do now is double click on it and that will open up this zip file. So double click. There we go. And then we're going to click on the folder now. And if you use Photoshop, you're going to use this template, or if you're like me and know nothing about Photoshop, we're going to use this PNG file format here. Okay, so you've got that step. Now, to make our channel art look like something like this, let me go onto my channel, well, the channel you're watching this on. So let's click on here. Okay, so can you see this image up here? This is what we call channel art. This is, you know, the cover for our YouTube channel that people are gonna see as soon as they come onto our YouTube channel. So what we need to do is we're gonna go over to Canva now, okay? And Canva is fantastic. I make all my YouTube thumbnails, all my Instagram posts, or my just loads of different stuff for all my different businesses. I create all my graphics in this free tool called Canva. You do not need the paid version right now. You might want to upgrade to it in the future, but right now we're going to stick to the free version of Canva. So go ahead and make your account if you haven't done so already. After you've done that, we are going to click on this top bit here where it says YouTube channel art. So we're going to click on that. Okay, so once we've got this template, this is where a hell of a lot of people go wrong and then they get really frustrated and give up. Please, you are part of Team A. Team A is all about taking action. We never give up. We find a way to get things done. So, do not use one of these free templates, because what will happen is it will end up cutting some of your lovely design. It will end up cutting it on a mobile device or other devices. Remember, this channel art is not just going to display on a computer screen like here. It is going to shrink itself down and display on your phones and iPads. So what we need to do is, let me delete that out of the way. This is where the template's going to come in. So we're going to click on the left-hand side where it says Uploads. Click on that. And then we are going to click on Upload Your Own Images. And then I'm going to go to where I downloaded that, which was here, my Downloads folder. And here it is, the channel art PNG file. So I'm going to double click on that. Right, now this is key. So I'm going to fill the template with this. So we're going to spread it out just a tiny bit more. There we go. Right, can you see now? We want our image to only fill this, so where it says text and logo safe area. Now, this is the next important part. We're going to click on our template. And what we're going to do is click on up here next to the trash can, this kind of little checkered symbol. So we're going to click on that. It says transparency. And what we're going to do is go about there so we can see what we're doing. So 44%. I will explain in just a second why we have done that. So on our YouTube channel art, we want to say what our channel is about. To be honest, I need to change this up a bit, but let's keep things simple and use my current example for now. So mine says YouTube tips, confidence building, take action today. And then I put new videos every Friday. Now, preferably, you want to be putting your upload schedule. This is a bit of a lie. I've currently not been uploading videos every Friday, but please don't be like me. I'm trying to get better. Try and put when you upload. I could change that to new videos every week rather than every Friday. But you do need to put what your channel is about so it's clear to everyone straight away, and then they can go and subscribe to your channel just like that. So let's say for this channel, Team A, this is going to be all about tutorials. So what I'm going to do is I still want to fill this whole template up with a picture. So I'm just, for now, obviously, you don't want to spend ages doing this. Just get something that looks nice for now, and you can always come back to this at a later stage. So for now, I'm simply going to put a colour. Also with Canva, there's so much you can do here. Okay, I have just noticed that we need to do this the other way around. So we want to get an image to fill this first, and then we've got to put the template on top of it. So I want to keep things really simple for this tutorial and simply put a colour for my background. Okay, and then I'm going to click on uploads on the left hand side again, click that. I'm not actually going to fill this whole screen now. I'm just going to go a tiny bit like that because I've got a funny feeling it's going to delete it again. So do exactly what I'm doing, okay? So don't do it like I showed you before where you go like this. Just do a tiny bit so we've got a little bit of our background just going around that. Okay, and again, I'm going to put that put the transparency down so again I can see what I'm doing. Remember, we need our bit to go in the text safe area. Okay, right, then to keep things simple, specifically for this tutorial, so it doesn't go on for ages, I'm simply going to add some text in. So we've clicked on text. I'm going to put my text there. Remember, we need it in the safe area. I'm going to change the colour of it. So go up here and press white. Remember, you can spend a lot more time doing this. I'm just quickly going through it so you can see how to do it. Let's just use this one for now. And then I'm simply going to put new social media tutorials every week. Now, we're going to place it in the safe area. Can you see that's too big for iPhones, for the phones? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to change the size up here to 24. Yep, there we go. I'm going to place it there. I can do it a bit bigger. Look, we've got loads of space left. So I'm going to make that a bit bigger now. Let's go to 28. Let's just add some, just jazz it up a tiny bit while you're with me. Let's put an Instagram icon. So did you see what I did then? So I just went to the search, typed in what I want to find, Instagram. I'm going to press enter. And with Canva, there's some paid options you can use, or you can go with the free ones. So I'm going to go with the free ones. So let's use this. All I've done here is I'm making this image smaller. So I'm going to put that there, do a bit more small. And let's just add a Facebook one as well. Facebook, enter. Remember, please don't take ages to do this. Well, obviously we want it to look professional, but we don't need to spend a whole day doing this. As you can see, I'm doing this really quickly. I can always come back and change this at a later date. Now, this is the very important part. We need to delete that template bit now, because otherwise that's going to show on our YouTube channel. So we're going to click on the template, can you see? And I'm simply going to press delete. There we go. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is click where it says add heading, because that is the title. We don't want it to call that. I'm just going to call this YouTube channel art. Done. Download. PNG recommended. Cool. Download that. Are you excited? Let's head on back over to our YouTube channel now while that's downloading. Yep, let's save that. Cool, right, now let's go back to our channel. There we go. Now let's click on add channel art. This is the moment of truth. Now we're gonna upload our photo in here, so you can simply drag and drop it, or click this to choose your file. So my downloads come up there, so I'm going to simply drag and drop it in. Okay. And there we go. This is what it's going to look like on all the different devices. So can you see here the mobile? It fits in perfectly. That's what it'll look like on a TV. And this is what it's going to look like on a desktop. So simple, so easy. I really hope that helped you. Click select. There we go. Our YouTube channel is coming together. If this video helped you, make sure you comment below and let me know what your channel is going to be about, because I may feature you in my brand new ebook, which is coming out in a month's time. I'm going to give you thousands of ideas and also my top 5 tools, so you never ever run out of ideas again in your life. If you want to pre-order that for only $1.99, click that link that pops up right now, and I'll also leave the link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to take action. You are now part of Team A. Take action in your life. Stay determined and stay motivated, and you can accomplish anything you want. Continue watching this playlist by clicking right there, and that will take you to all the videos in this ultimate series on how you can create your YouTube channel the right way. And also click there if you want to subscribe and join Team A. I will see you in the next video.